Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I was going to do a little cook with me and do kind of like a review on HelloFresh. So today, I got my card right here. It is sriracha chicken. And I'm a little concerned. I didn't pick this meal. I actually had this order come through on accident. So it'll be interesting. I'm not a huge sriracha fan, so I hope it's on the lighter sriracha side, but we will see. So I read over the card and I did a few little prep things already. I got out my 2 baking sheets to bake the sides on, the sweet potato and the broccoli. I also have my oven preheating to 450 as per the directions, and I also have a cutting mat and a strainer in the sink to wash the veggies. So I'm not going to really walk you guys through all the steps because, I mean, you can go online and see them yourself. So I'm just going to show y'all me cooking basically, and then once it's done and I try the food, I'll do a little review for you guys, and I'll also kind of rate whether or not the meal actually took the time that it's supposed to, because this one is 10 minutes of prep work and 35 minutes total, and it is just about 6:30, so probably by the time I stop talking it'll be 6:30, so by 7:05 we should have a meal. So let's get started. Here is everything before I plate it. Those are the hoisin sriracha glazed chicken breasts. Over here are the baked sweet potatoes. They just had salt and pepper and olive oil on them. And then these are the bite-sized broccolis baked with olive oil, salt and pepper. And then halfway through, they finished baking with ginger. So now I'm going to plate it up and see what it's like. added the sesame seeds and some of the extra sauce on top of the chicken and the veggies. I got my fork and knife right there so I can give you guys an honest first reaction of everything and basically eat in front of you. Alright, so back with the veggies. Gonna start off with this broccoli. Take a couple pieces, dip it in some more sauce. You know, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I do. Maybe it's the sauce, but the taste is actually really excellent. It's just baked enough that it almost has that little like char taste to it. So that is phenomenal. And let me get a couple sweet potatoes. Get some more sauce and seeds as well. Yep. Wow. 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 That's actually really good. I have to have more. Oh my god. Like, I wish y'all could taste this. I was expecting to be disappointed, but this is good. Alright, I'm gonna take a few more bites and then I'll check back in with y'all after the chicken is ready. So I am back with the chicken. From what I can tell, it looks like cutting it up and cooking it with the sauce actually probably added more flavor to it, because now the pieces got cooked with the sauce, so it's infused a little bit more. I could just tell from when it was simmering in there, I was like, oh, this is gonna be bomb. So here it goes. Honestly amazing. It's really good. I could finish you. I could finish this plate in front of you guys, but I am going to spare you that. So I'm going to take a break from eating and give you my review real quick. So I'm going to start with the pros. Taste is definitely a pro. Having very minimal waste and not having, you know, big bottles of leftover items is of course a plus. Price is not my favorite. So the 4-person meal, and I got 2 meals, was I think it was right under $50. So that's a little crazy. So I think in the future I'm just gonna have to be a lot more careful and a lot more selective, and make sure that if I am ordering on a week, I, for one, know it, and for 2, actually pick the meals that I want. I know I've really been wanting to try their I don't know what exactly they call them, but basically they're like carnitas tacos. I heard those are really good. But this week I did get the pork poblano tacos. I don't think I'm gonna film that, but I am looking forward to trying those, and I was even thinking of adding some mushrooms to go with those. And actually I was thinking of adding mushrooms to this dish as well. And I think tomorrow, when I reheat everything and serve it for my mom and I probably will saute some mushrooms up with the chicken when I reheat it. That sounds good. Time. This is what I had a issue with the last time. So it said 35 minutes. It definitely took probably closer to like 45. With having to cook the chicken more, probably 50 minutes. So that part's not my favorite. And you know, maybe if you're just a lot more of an efficient cook, it would take you the specified time, but for me, it just, my total time was not 35. I wish it was, and I thought I even cooked this meal more efficiently than I have in the past because I didn't have any distractions. I mean, even with filming, I really didn't have any distractions, so I don't know. So that's just something I would kind of caution, I guess. Just kind of put that out there. It's not, at least in my experience, don't trust their cook time. But yeah, overall, I would say it was good. Like I said, the flavor is very much there. And I don't know, I am looking forward to the next one since this one did come out pretty good. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to be informed as to when I post more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.